It's my pleasure to have a wonderful session with you. And first of all, many thanks to acceptance my request. And
Mhm.
really, it's my pleasure time for me that I'm going to talk with you. Yeah,
Pleasure is mine, and thank you so much to have me here. And I'm very delighted again because I always feel delighted and I always go with the mindset that whenever I'm connecting with anyone, I need to be, full of beans. And
yeah,
everyone is, welcome.
yeah. So
That's all I can say. Okay, let's just start, this conversation by introducing ourselves.
sure. So this is Ali. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. When it comes to my profession, I'm working as an accountant. Apart from this, I'm graduate person. I did PG with computer, and these days, just I am whenever I get free time, so I love to talk some co-learners and YouTubers with a view to enrich my communication skill. And the same content sometimes I upload on my YouTube channel to share my knowledge and get more experience from my learners. Yeah, this is all about me in short.
Great, great to know. And you're a multitasker person, working somewhere, YouTuber, imparting the knowledge and accepting the knowledge from your co-learners. Great. What else you need, I think, to improve your communication skill?
Yeah, I'm doing as it's need.
Okay, so tell me something about, I don't want to go with the stereotype question, right? Because all
Yeah.
the time they're asking, how did you create, why did you create the YouTube channel? What is the motivation behind it? Blah, 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 many things, right? So
Right.
let's just go with a different uh, topic so that we can make it quite engaging, right?
Absolutely all right. We can go for it. Right.
So, I want to ask you one question. Like you said
Yeah.
that you are working on your communication skill, right?
Right.
So what are your best hacks? What are your best hacks to improve the communication skill in terms of anything, vocabulary, fluency? I mean, do you have any special activity that you can explore here in front of me,
Okay.
and you can share this activity with the viewers?
Okay. Okay. So there are two things that I want to share with your viewers actually. First
Mm-hmm.
one is if I talk about the fluency, you are asking about the fluency and the vocabulary. So first of all, I just would like to speak out regarding the fluency.
Mm-hmm.
What I believe that I have been working on my communication skill for a long time. It's been 2 years. In a 2 year, what I got the experience for the fluency. Speaking comes by speaking. I believe that. So if we will work on English language each and every day without skip a single day, so
Mm-hmm.
we will get lot of confidence. We can gain lot of confidence regarding
Mm-hmm.
speaking.
Yes.
So, if someone really wants to go for English language, if they want to improve their communication skill and they want to go through the great fluency, so they
Mm-hmm.
should go each and every day. They should talk, they should speak in each and every day. And
Mm-hmm.
for this, if they don't have any partner, so they can work on daily routine, study routine. And
Mm-hmm.
what I did in my early stage, what I did, where I was doing whole day, just before the bed, I was narrating myself. So
Mm-hmm.
I got a lot of at that point of time, got a lot of ideas regarding the tenses, models, some different kinds of structure, using some necessary vocabularies in terms
Mm-hmm.
of the basic vocabularies. So
Mm-hmm.
in this way, I gained a lot of confidence. I gained a lot of structures and vocabulary. So I would suggest for the beginners and intermediate level, if really they want to be perfect, if
Mm-hmm.
they want to speak out without taking any pause, without taking any filler words, without any fumble words, so they
Mm-hmm.
have to speak out. They have to go for self-talk. They should go
Mm-hmm.
for rapid fire, for daily routine, study routine, and what I like, whatever we do whole day just before the bed, we should go one time and we go for the narrating that story. So it would be
Mm-hmm.
possible, and if we are going to do it each and every day, I'm very
Mm-hmm.
sure whatever we have fumble or whatever we have hesitation, we can
Mm-hmm.
sort out in a sort of month. Easily we can sort out. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the good trick for getting a fluency. The second
Mm-hmm.
thing you are asking about the vocabulary. So really what I did when I started learning this time, whatever I was getting, like I was watching, I was listening, I was consuming a lot of material from different
Mm-hmm.
areas. So I started writing on the diary. So
Mm-hmm.
I right now also I have thousands of words in my diary. I'm not
Mhm,
able to utilize all the words because I didn't repeat all of the things. Just I was writing. But
mhm,
lot of new words also I have written in my diary. So
mhm,
what I believe that what I experience gained, if we want to implement new words in our conversation, if we want to enrich our new vocabularies, so we
mhm,
shouldn't run after a lot of vocabularies. We should take only
mhm,
5 to 2 vocabularies, and we
mhm,
should make few examples over that particular vocabularies, and in
mhm,
this way we can speak out and we can implement new words in our conversation. Because
mhm,
whatever we are speaking, whatever we are using in our conversation, these are very simple words and these are very common words that we can use in our daily
mhm,
life. But
mhm,
everyone have a choice to add some words, because I am also, when I listen new words from others, I
mhm,
immediately fascinated from them from
mhm,
their side. So
uh-huh,
I have also this kind of intention to learn new things, to add new things. So
mhm,
that is the reason. What I did is that if I want to add new words, so I do not take my diary to read all of the
mhm,
pages. Just I
mhm,
take one page. I found any 2 or 3 new vocabularies, and immediately I take in my mind, and I always try to add in my
mhm,
conversation. This is the
mhm,
best way to improve the vocabulary. Just take few words, make
mhm,
some over the sentence as per the situation, and try to recall while the conversation that words. And if it would be fixed for a longer in your minds, then you can next few words. So this is the
mhm. Great, great, and I really appreciate the way you, the propagating the all of facts about
yeah.
fluency and vocabulary, and I do believe in that because I also go with my vocabularies, using
Hmm.
a different vocabulary in my conversation until and unless I feel like that I have a confidence, I have that spring in my step, and I would like to go with it. I would like to rejoice with it.
Yeah.
And the question is that why don't give me the stereotype answer that English is a
Hmm.
is a globally accepted language,
Global.
so learning this language because
Yeah.
everyone is just go with it. So I don't want this answer. I'm very clear about it, right? I want
Right,
something
right,
different
right.
from your side, right?
Hmm. Yeah.
So my question is that why are you learning this language? What was that triggering point? Who pushed you to learn this language? Or yes.
Okay, first of all, I have many times met this kind of conversation, and already I have mentioned many times about this is the global language. It can
Mhm.
be used for each and every country, but really I don't want to mention here.
Yes.
But whatever in my heart, just I want to show off it. Whatever in my heart, just I want to tell it.
Let me
Actually,
sorry to interrupt you.
yeah,
If
yeah,
you have if you have an incident of your life which push you, which motivate you to learn this
yeah,
language, I want that incident if you have in your life
yeah.
experience, right?
Sure, sure, sure. I would be happy to share this experience because actually I have already. When I was in class 8th and 10th, like 9th, 10th standard, at
Mm-hmm.
that point of time, I was feeling this language. Actually,
Uh-huh.
I was a student of primary school, then inter college. At that point of time, my English was not very much good. Not only the English language, I was not at good and many subjects. So
Mm-hmm.
at that point of time, I was feeling this language. At that point of time, I was not able to translate English to Hindi. So it
Mm-hmm.
was my biggest challenge for me. And I
Mm-hmm.
was thinking at that time, I was thinking it is not possible to do for, it is not possible to do it for me.
Yeah.
Just I was thinking it could be not possible by me that I can translate Hindu to English. So it
Mm-hmm.
was the biggest mindset after growing, after getting some knowledge of English language. That means after 12th, I started working on it. I started working on my grammar part. When I
Okay.
came to know the basic grammar, then it was in my mind, and I was flourish the things why what I have said in my mind. If I know English language very well, so I can
Mm-hmm.
achieve many things. What I
Mm-hmm.
observing, what I was observing,
Mm-hmm.
because English language is a language. This became a official language, and for the
Mm-hmm.
office purpose, for the job purpose, for many reason, I can by using this language I can get it. The second
Yeah.
reason, it help us to improve our personality.
Mm-hmm.
If in 10 people, if someone is going to speak out English language, that 9 people is going to wash your face. So this is the
Uh-huh.
second reason what I believe that. So in this way, just I was concreting a lot of things in my mind.
Mm-hmm.
So it was my dream, childhood dream, that I want to learn it. And then after, when I started working on it, I was really, what I say, my conversation first, what I made, I am able to recall that day. I was not able to speak single word, even my introduction.
Uh-huh.
I, after listening that, after getting the word up from other side, I disconnected my call. It was my first day. Then I,
Okay.
at any cost, I mustered my courage, and again start started doing it. So it was, so from there, that means I wanted to learn this language. I wanted to grasp these things. I wanted to speak out. Then I
Mm-hmm.
started working. So that is the main reason. This language is very special for me because I was really in the zero. A lot of people telling I started from the scratch, but from bottom of my heart, really I started from the scratch. I don't know even the grammar. I don't know more vocabularies. I don't know
Uh-huh.
anything. I didn't know anything at that point of time. When I
Mm-hmm.
started, now when I started working on it, then I gathered a lot of knowledge, and now I'm able to speak out, and even I'm still learner. I'm trying to speak each and every day. I'm trying to learn it, and my dream is to that at least I can speak out good and I can train to others. So
Mm-hmm.
really the thing is that in my mindset is that it was great thing for me. It was
Uh-huh.
really a very great thing for me. That's the reason I'm learning it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I can see the way you are propagating your thoughts.
Yeah.
It was reflecting on your face towards this
Yeah. Yeah.
language. I'm a very
Mhm.
inquisitive person to learn this language. And
Yeah.
congratulations, I would like to give you the compliment here. You are, you are a good speaker because you are communicating your thoughts, expressing your, the idea of this English. Great,
Yeah.
incredible.
Many thanks for the appreciation. Yeah. Many
Absolutely, you
thanks.
deserve it. You deserve it.
One more time, many thanks to you giving a very wonderful time for
And
me. And this is the weekend that I have taken time from your side.
no
So once
worries.
again, many thanks to
No,
you.
no, no. You
Yeah,
have taken, but I had actually, I had that wish that I need to connect with you. That's why. If I say no,
yeah,
though, definitely I will not
absolutely all
connect.
right.
But it was my wish also, na.
Right. Absolutely all right.